The one yoga move that changes everything for your body after 50. Hey there, wellness wavers. What if the biggest threat to your independence isn't a major illness, but a simple trip in your own home? Or the quiet moment you skip a walk with your children because you're not sure you can keep up? For millions of individuals 50 and over, this isn't a dramatic scenario. It's a quiet, creeping fear of losing our strength, of feeling frail, of a fall that could change everything. We're often told it's just a part of getting older, but that's not the whole story. What if one specific yoga pose could act as a powerful antidote, directly fighting back against bone loss and rebuilding your strength and balance? Keep watching this video, because you are about to learn that one move that works especially for people over 50, and it truly has the power to help you secure a vibrant, active future also. After we hit 50, our bodies begin to change. We naturally start to lose bone density and muscle mass. This process accelerates for women after menopause, leading to conditions like osteoporosis, which makes bones weak and brittle. In fact, about half of all women over 50 will break a bone because of osteoporosis. At the same time, we lose muscle. Lifting groceries, doing yard work, or even just pushing up out of a comfy chair suddenly feels harder. This loss of strength directly impacts our balance. Think of your muscles as the scaffolding holding you up. When they get weaker, you get shakier. This is why falls become such a major, life-altering concern. This combination of weaker bones, less muscle, and shaky balance creates a vicious cycle. We fear falling, so we move less. But moving less makes us weaker, which worsens our balance and, ironically, increases our risk of a fall. It can feel like a downhill slide you can't stop. But you have the power to break this cycle. The solution isn't a punishing workout. It's a yoga pose that acts as a powerful form of weight-bearing exercise. When you put productive stress on your bones, you signal your body to build new bone tissue, making them stronger and denser. A groundbreaking 10-year study by Dr. Lauren Fishman found that just 12 minutes of daily yoga routine helped participants improve bone mineral density in key areas like the spine and femur. The study tracked over 90,000 hours of practice and 0 reported fractures or serious injuries. This simple routine could be a game changer for bone health. Pretty remarkable. For a more hands-on approach, Yoga Journal breaks down the 12 poses used in the study. So, what's the single most effective move that hits bone density, muscle strength, and balance all at once? It's a pose called Utkatasana, or as we'll call it, the chair pose. The chair pose is the ultimate multitasker. It's a weight-bearing exercise for your hips, your legs, and your spine. It builds strength in your largest muscle groups, your quads, glutes, and core, which are the exact muscles that stabilize your body. And simply holding the pose is a balanced challenge that improves your stability over time. It's a triple threat against the forces of aging. Have you ever tried this pose before? We would love to hear. Drop your answer in the comments section. Gap 1S. So how can we master the chair pose? First up, check with your nurse practitioner before attempting any exercise. The beauty of chair pose lies in its simplicity, and the fact that it can be easily modified to suit different bodies and needs. Remember to breathe deeply and never hold your breath. First is the classic chair pose. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward. On an inhale, sweep your arms up toward the ceiling. If that's uncomfortable, bring them straight out in front of you or place them on your hips. As you exhale, bend your knees and send your hips back and down as if you're sitting in an imaginary chair. Glance down. You should still be able to see the tips of your toes. This protects your knee joints. Keep your spine long, your chest lifted, and your core engaged. Hold for 30 seconds. You'll feel your thighs and glutes working. That's the magic happening. To come out, press through your feet, inhale, and straighten your legs as your arms float down. If you feel unsteady, use a wall. Stand with your back against it, feet about a foot away. As you exhale, bend your knees and slide your back down the wall until your thighs are as close to parallel with the floor as is comfortable. The wall provides the balance, so you can focus on building strength. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, then slide back up. Using a sturdy chair is another brilliant option. Face the back of the chair and place your hands lightly on it for support. As you exhale, bend your knees and sink your hips back, just like in the classic pose. Your hands are there to steady you, not hold your weight. This version builds both confidence and strength. Hold for 30 seconds, then press back up to stand. The secret to seeing change is consistency. Dr. Fishman's study used a routine that only took 12 minutes a day. Start by practicing chair pose once or twice a day for 30 seconds. As you get stronger, work up to a full minute. You don't need a yoga mat or special clothes. You can do this while waiting for coffee to brew or during a commercial break. The easier you make it, the more likely you'll do it. Once you're comfortable, you can build a mini routine. Try adding tree pose for single leg balance and warrior 2 to strengthen your hips. A simple downward-facing dog provides a wonderful full-body stretch. This sequence takes less than 15 minutes and hits all the key areas. I have a challenge for you. Pause this video and try one version of chair pose for 30 seconds. Use a wall or a chair for support if you like. Then, come back and leave a comment below telling me how it felt. I really want to hear from you. And if you're ready to build a stronger, more confident, and independent future, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. We'll be exploring more simple, powerful strategies to help you thrive. The idea that life after 50 is an inevitable decline is simply not true. It's a choice. While we can't stop the clock, we can choose to be proactive, to build our bodies up instead of letting them weaken. We can choose strength over frailty, confidence over fear. Chair pose is more than just an exercise. It's a declaration that you're taking an active role in your own well-being. By strengthening your bones, building your muscles, and sharpening your balance, you're not just preventing a fall, you're preserving your freedom. And if you are serious about making the right choices and preventing a fall, smash this next video here. You're making sure you can keep saying yes to life. Your future is in your hands, and it can start today with this one powerful move. With that said, thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss our weekly post, and let's ride the waves to a healthier, happier you.